In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Systeme.io. Whether you're new to this platform or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through the essentials in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Systeme.io and hit enter. This should bring you to the official website, where we can begin setting up your account. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. But if not, you'll want to sign up. Signing up usually involves entering your email address, creating a secure password, and possibly confirming your email through a verification link. Creating an account with Systeme.io is free, making it accessible for anyone looking to try out its features. Once you're logged in, it's a good idea to head over to your account settings. Here, you can complete your profile by adding any necessary details. One crucial aspect is setting your time zone correctly, as this affects how your scheduled items, like emails, will function. Additionally, this is where you'll connect your payment gateways, such as Stripe or PayPal, to process transactions smoothly. It's essential to get this set up if you plan on handling any online sales through the platform. Now let's move on to one of the core features of Systeme.io: funnels. Navigate to the Funnels tab, which is the hub for creating sales funnels. When you click Create, you'll be prompted to define a goal for your funnel, whether it's capturing leads, generating sales, or something else. Choosing a template is the next step, and Systeme.io offers a variety of templates that cater to different business needs. After selecting one that aligns with your goal, you can use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to modify content, such as changing text, swapping images, and adjusting other elements. You also have the flexibility to add or remove steps like sales pages, order forms, and thank you pages to fit your specific funnel strategy. Next, let's talk about email marketing. Head over to the Emails section to create a new campaign, which consists of a sequence of emails that can be automated according to your strategy. Crafting these emails could involve setting up welcome sequences, sales follow-ups, or any other automated communications with your subscribers. Lastly, Systeme.io includes a powerful automations feature. Click on the Automations tab to start creating rules based on certain triggers and actions. For example, once someone subscribes to your list, you might want to send them a welcome email immediately. Setting these up helps maintain engagement without having to handle each interaction personally. By following these steps, you're well on your way to maximizing the potential of Systeme.io for your business. As with any tool, the more you experiment, the more proficient you'll become. I hope this guide gives you the confidence to explore the platform's features further and leverage them to meet your business goals.